teach you how to add sound effects to Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a class project, working on a business presentation, or simply trying to add some extra flair, incorporating audio can make your slides far more engaging and memorable. Start by opening Google Slides. You can access it directly through your Google Drive or by searching for it in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so that your work is saved automatically and you can access your files at any time. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see all your existing presentations as well as the option to create a new one. For this tutorial, open a blank presentation so we can walk through the process step by step. Now head to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down list, select Audio. This will open a window that lets you pull in audio files. But keep in mind, the file must be stored in your Google Drive. If you haven't uploaded your sound yet, make sure it's saved in a supported format like MP3, WAV, or M4A. Once uploaded, find your file in Drive, select it, and click Insert. At this point, you'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. You can drag and resize this just like any other element to position it neatly where you'd like. Now, let's fine-tune the playback. With the icon selected, look to the right-hand panel. Here under Format Options, you can choose whether the audio plays automatically when the slide appears or only when you click on the icon. You can also adjust the volume and even decide if the audio should stop when moving to the next slide. That's all it takes. In just a few steps, you've successfully added sound effects to your Google Slides presentation. With a little customization, this feature can add energy, emphasis, or polish to your project, making it much more impactful for your audience. Thanks for following along and happy creating.